In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Constant Contact account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to complete the closure with confidence. First, log in to your Constant Contact account. Use your usual sign-in page and credentials, and wait for the main dashboard to load. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Being on the dashboard helps ensure all menus and settings are available. Next, click your profile name or open the account menu. You'll typically find this in the upper right corner of the screen. It may appear as your name, your initials, or a small profile icon. Clicking it opens a drop-down where all of your personal and billing options are grouped. From that menu, go to Account Settings or Billing. Different layouts may label this slightly differently, so look for terms like account, my account, billing, or plans. Any of these will bring you to the area where account level changes are managed. Once you're there, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct section before moving forward. Now look for the cancellation or close account option. This may be called close account, cancel account, or cancel plan. It's commonly located within the billing or plan details area. If you see multiple tabs or links, scan for wording related to ending service. It's normal for this option to be a bit tucked away, so carefully read each section until you locate it. When you've found the cancellation option, follow the instructions shown by Constant Contact. The platform may present a short confirmation flow, ask for feedback, or outline what will happen after closure. Read each screen closely, as you may see notes about billing cutoffs, data availability, or any remaining time on your current plan. If checkboxes or acknowledgements appear, review them so there are no surprises later. Finally, confirm the account closure if you are sure. This usually involves clicking a Confirm, Close, or Finalize button. Once you confirm, the platform will process your request and display a completion message. You may also receive a confirmation email summarizing the closure. Keep an eye out for that message so you know the request went through as expected. That's the entire process from start to finish. Log in, open your profile menu, head to Account Settings or Billing, find the cancellation option, follow the on-screen prompts, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and take your time on each screen so you understand exactly what you're agreeing to before you finalize the closure.